What if I tell you that this glass of water is 100 years ago? Or this glass of water can be thousands and thousands years ago? I am serious. This water can be antique water. And this water, there is a chance of a least molecule also that one was dragged by Queen Cleopatra of Egypt. Yes, I am serious. I am not joking with you guys. And if I say you that this water was somewhere near a Himalayan range beside the sea, and then the water came in my glass and now I am drinking it. Yes, there is chance. You know, water is the most essential thing for us. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Alice Education. Today I am back here with a new topic, that is water is life. You know, I said in a previous video that water and plants are very important for us to survive. Without them we can't survive. But what if I tell you that water is the most important here? Because the plants that give us oxygen by doing the photosynthesis method, their important thing is this water. Because when they get the water in, then only they can do the photosynthesis process and they can grow and give us oxygen. So we should not let water be wasted. You know, there are many uses of water like bathing and washing clothes, and many things like drinking. Drinking is the most important thing. So friends, this water is important in many industries also. It is used in many industries. And friends, this water is really important for each and every living thing. What not? See, plants, animals, and we humans. So friends, you know that water has 3 states of matter. Let's learn about them. This water is now liquid. See, it's liquid. So it is the second step of water, that is liquid water. Or we can say the drinking water. It is present everywhere. On the seas also it is present liquid water. And second step, solid. And the solid form of water is ice. It is found in most of the polar regions. See, only they are stacked like ice. Or we can refrigerate the water and then we can take the ice. And the third method, or you can say the third state of water, is water vapor. It's present in the air. That's why only the rain happen. Rain. So this water, first we take this glass of water, then we boil it, and then the water vapor rises. Water vapor. When you boil the water vapor rises, you all know. And this water vapor rises and go out the sky. And then clouds form with the dust particles and this water vapor. And then after some times when the clouds become larger and heavier, that time they rain. So friends, see, water is so much responsible for everything. And see, we guys are wasting water. When we are brushing, we are leaving the tap open. We're wasting water like washing the hands for, some might wash the hands for 20 seconds, but they are keeping the tap open for 30 seconds. They are wasting 10 minutes of this water. They can just use a bucket, right, for this water and wash their hands. Why to open the tap and wash it for, 30 minutes? So friends, don't waste water. 97%, 100% what is present on our earth, and 97% is ocean water. They are very much salty. We can't take it in. So only some percent of water are fresh. So friends, don't waste water. We should not waste water. Right? So in another video, we will talk in detail about this water. This is just a small introductory video. So just one thing I need to say you that you don't waste waste water, and do one thing, tell everyone not to waste water. Your friend, your cousin, and everywhere, your relative, and whoever. Tell that don't waste water. And telescope was sent in the universe by a group of scientists that was named Kepler. You know why it was sent? It was sent to detect life. And you know how they are detecting life? By search of water. They are just searching water, but it means that they were searching the life. In the universe, they were searching a solar system, that where is which planet. There are many planets, that Earth is one of them. So Earth has water. That's why we survive. That's why life exists on Earth. So now scientists are searching that, are we alone? Are we alone? And there is no answer for this question till yet. So Kepler, the telescope, was sent out in the universe for the search of water. But there is no answer again. So we don't know the answer, that are we alone? Does only life exist on Earth, or it exists on other planets also? So friends, no one knows it till yet. There is no aliens now, we can say, because we don't know are there aliens or not. So this much for today. So today we learned about the states of water and the necessity of water. And one more thing is, water is used for electricity. If no water, if you waste water, then what will happen? You will have no light, no fan, no AC, and no phones. So friends, don't waste water. So this much for today. Bye bye friends. Meet you in another video. Till then, bye.